The word cyber is related to computers, the internet, and anything digital. Security means safety or protection. So, cybersecurity means protecting computers, phones, and internet systems from people who try to harm them or steal information.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
For example, if you have a house, you must close the door, lock it, and maybe even install a camera so that no thief can enter. Cybersecurity works in the same way, but instead of protecting your house, it protects your digital things like your email, photos, bank accounts, and passwords. For example, when you use social media, you don't want someone else to log into your account and send messages pretending to be you. Cybersecurity makes sure only you can access your account. Another simple example is when a website asks you to prove that you are a real person, not a robot. That's also a small part of cybersecurity. But cybersecurity is not just about protection, it also helps to find out if something bad has already happened. For example, if someone breaks into your system and deletes some files or installs a virus, cybersecurity tools can help detect that problem. They can show you what went wrong and where the attack came from. So, cybersecurity means both protecting your digital world and also finding and fixing any harm if it happens. Just like we keep our personal things safe in real life and check if something is missing or broken, we also need to do the same in the online world. And that is what cybersecurity is all about. Now, let's talk about how it is possible and what tools are used to make it work. One common tool is called a firewall. A firewall works like a security guard that watches what is coming in and going out of your computer. If something dangerous tries to enter, the firewall blocks it immediately. Another important tool is called antivirus software. This tool checks your system to find any viruses, just like a doctor checks your body for illness. If it finds something harmful, it removes it or puts it in a safe place where it cannot spread. We also use tools that encrypt data. Encryption is like changing a message into secret code so only the right person can read it. For example, if you send a message to your friend, encryption makes sure that only your friend can understand it and no one else can read it on the way. Another helpful tool is multi factor authentication. This means using more than one way to log into your account, like entering a password and also a code sent to your phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to get in. Cybersecurity also uses monitoring systems that watch everything happening on a computer or a network. If something strange happens, like a user trying to enter a locked area or sending too many requests quickly, these tools raise an alert. There are also logging tools that keep records of all the actions taken on a computer so that if something goes wrong, experts can look back and understand what happened and who did it. Python helps in cybersecurity by allowing us to write small programs to catch and stop problems on a computer or a network. For example, with Python, we can create a tool that checks all the ports on your system. Ports are like doors where data comes and goes and tells us if any of those doors are open and unprotected. This is important because hackers often enter through open ports. Python can also be used to write a program that reads system logs and tells us if someone tried to guess your password many times. This kind of attack is called brute force. Python can quickly go through these log files and show only the suspicious activity, which saves time. Another use of Python is to make fake login pages to test if a user can be tricked into typing their password. This is used in ethical hacking to see if people are using weak passwords. Python also helps in creating simple virus checkers that go through your files and search for patterns that match known threats. Python has a library called hashlib that lets you convert a password into a secret code. This is helpful when saving user passwords in a secure way so that no one can read them directly. If a hacker enters your system, they will only see the secret code, not the actual password. Python also helps in scanning websites. For example, it can visit every page of a website and look for broken links, unsafe code, or places where data is not secure. This helps find weak areas in a website before a hacker finds them. So, this is a simple explanation of what is cybersecurity, how Python is used to find, test, and fix security problems in computers and networks. See you in the next lecture.
I hope you learned something useful in this video, and I will see you in the next one. But wait, please don't forget to subscribe.